Welcome to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we're talking about how to fix slow download speed on Telegram. And I'll walk you through some easy steps to speed things up. Now, let's get started. Step 1. First, take your phone and open the Telegram app. Make sure you are logged into your account, because without logging in, you won't be able to access your chats or files. Step 2. If you want to fix slow download speed on Telegram, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the Quick Settings menu. If you are using mobile data and the download is slow, turn off mobile data and connect to Wi-Fi instead. A stable Wi-Fi connection can make a big difference in download speed. Step 3. If the problem is still there, it might be due to an outdated app version. Go back to your home screen and open the Google Play Store. Tap the search bar, type Telegram, and hit search to find the app page. Step 4. Now select the result. If you see an update button, tap it to install the latest version, because updates often fix performance issues. If you only see the open button, that means the app is already up to date, so go ahead and open it from there. Step 5. Once Telegram is open, look at the top left corner and locate the 3 horizontal lines. Tap on them to open the side menu, where you can find different options. Step 6. In this menu, find the settings option and tap on it to proceed. Then, scroll down until you locate the data and storage section and tap on it. This is where Telegram manages its storage and network preferences. Step 7. At the top of this section, go to storage usage. Scroll down until you find the clear cache option, then tap on it and confirm. This will remove unnecessary temporary files, which can often speed up downloads. To check if it worked, go back to the home screen and try downloading any file, such as a video, and automatically fix it. If you still face issues, you could also consider using the Telegram Premium subscription, which may give you faster speeds. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to the channel.